We ready to go? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Now, this vlog is going to be a special vlog because it is that time of year. What time of year, you ask? Well, it is time to go to India. So today is Saturday and we're flying midweek next week or the coming week. So we have to make sure that by end of Sunday we're almost ready, packed, just ready to go, because during the weekday I don't think I'll have time to do anything, and hence I have so much stuff to do this weekend. And I thought, why not vlog? We've been so excited from last few days and just can't wait to finally land in India. This time it's going to be special because I'm going for a very special wedding as well. I'm gonna vlog it. I'm gonna show you how Pahari wedding happens. So do subscribe to my channel right now because a lot of fun, colorful and wholesome vlogs are going to come up. Right now it is 8 a.m. I woke up around 7:30 today. The first thing we need to do is we need to buy chocolates for the family because at the wedding I have to pack my Indian outfit. I have to make sure I'm packing my jewelry, makeup, my footwear, and then I also need to work out in the evening. Let's hope we're able to tick everything. Let's go.
Kudos to M&S for placing their bakery at the gate, because then you just can't miss it, and it smelled so divine that even though I was avoiding sugar, I ended up picking a few things myself.
So it's around 10 and I've got all my chocolates. I actually wanted to buy some clothes for me, but now I think I'm just too tired to do that. We're running ahead of our schedule, so let's go home and have some food. This sweater, this jacket is amazing because it's cold outside and everybody was wearing their thick jackets and their puffy jackets, and I was just wearing this over a t-shirt and still I was so warm. Uniqlo has best quality of clothes. This is our breakfast, very simple. We have some eggs with sriracha, scrambled eggs and avocado. A very simple breakfast because I'm gonna have some yummy muffins with my coffee. Muffin here. So this is pumpkin oat muffin. Actually, both of them are really nice. We had our breakfast. It is around 11:49 right now. I'm gonna start with packing. So first I need to figure out what I need to figure out what I'm taking to India. So let's do that together. Let's do that together. We'll start with clothes. What is happening? I'll start with clothes and then we'll move to jewelry. Then we'll think about makeup, and then we'll think about our shoes. Let's go. First thing is this beautiful pink sari. This is my engagement sari. It's amazing. So I have to take this. So this is my jewelry collection that I need to go through and see what we can take. Okay, it is 1 p.m. right now. We have sorted our jewelry. Now it's time to sort our makeup. So let's do that. It is 1:20 right now, and I think so. I have laid everything that I'm going to pack. I have clothes and makeup and jewelry. Only the few things that are left, all my cameras, shooting equipment, and all those things that I'm thinking that I'll do in the end. But I'm also thinking that should I go to the gym right now, because it's not gonna be really crowded at this time, and I could do like my sauna and steam and everything, and because I really need a break now. I think I should edit it. Let's see, I'll figure out. So I was editing my video. It's 3:12 right now. My kajal is smushed, and I was editing my video since 1:30. I think 1:30 or 1:20. I think it's done. I'm exporting it. This will take some time, but now I think I can go to the gym. I just want to sleep now. I'm feeling so sleepy after this session. But let's go home. It's around 6 p.m. I just got back from the gym and I had my protein shake. So I'm feeling a little bit full. I think I'll pack now for 30 minutes or 40 minutes and then I'll start cooking my dinner. For lunch, I'm making peanut chili noodles. Okay, so we are done with our dinner. It's around 7:15. Now let's get back to packing. Good morning guys, and morning from another gloomy day in London. Currently our living room is completely mess now. A lot of stuff scattered everywhere. And today again we have a packed schedule because one, I have to shoot a video. Second, I have to go out today to meet few work friends, and then I have to clean all this mess and pack and make sure the kitchen is clean, the fridge is clean, the garbage is taken out, everything is like ready to go. So yeah, it's gonna be another intense hectic day. It's around 8:51. I'm thinking I will leave by 11:30 because I have to reach by 12:30, and I'll shoot my video from 10 to 11. So I still have 1 hour. We're all ready. Let's shoot the video. I am very sleepy right now, but hopefully it won't show on my face, because if I don't shoot it right now, I actually don't have any time in my schedule to shoot it, so I have to do it. I'm so proud of myself today because I was feeling so sleepy and I thought, I don't want to do this. Should I skip this and go to sleep? But then I was like, no, let's just start. And if I feel sleepy in between, I will give up. And I was able to do it quite quickly. So I thought I'll start shooting it around 10 and we'll finish at 11. But it is 10 a.m. right now and I'm done with the video. So I'm like really happy. Yay! Let's do some quick grocery shopping. So we have a breakfast, very much similar to yesterday, some eggs, avocado, I've added one paratha and some 24, and we have to leave now. I just checked my map and it's gonna take me 48 minutes to reach, so we need to quickly. And I also want to get myself coffee from the cafe downstairs, so yeah, I think we look good. Hand cream, and I'm carrying this book. This is my 17th book of this year. We're ready to go. Let's go. This is was editing That Girl in London, and I'm editing that video, and when I heard that, I just... I'm an American. Why? There is something wrong with me. Like, I don't know. I have no control over my accent. I have no control.
Yeah. Yes, take away.
This place is so big. It's like heaven for me. Super amazing. Gotta buy these things. I'm so late, but I just can't seem to leave this place. I love it. It's around 3:30 and I'm back home. I really want to do sauna today because it's good for your skin and I want to get as many sessions as possible before I fly. But we don't have much time. For next 1 hour, I'm just gonna pack as much as I can because I have like little bit of things here and there. So at least I can pack right now, and the rest of it I can put it on the table so that I know that this is what I need to pack. So that I don't forget anything, and then we'll try to make it to sauna as well. It is such a mess. I don't know where to start. Good morning, guys. It is the D-Day. It's around 7:15. Yesterday I thought I'll work out in the morning, I'll do sauna and all those stuff. Then in the morning I thought I needed the rest today because I will be traveling the whole day. I might as well just take few extra hours of sleep. We've done with almost all the packing as well as the cleaning because I'm working today, so I just have to make sure that I finish my work before we have to leave for the airport. Yeah, and then we'll be in India tomorrow. Excited. So I wanted to make sure that I use everything in my fridge before I go. I did all the cooking last night because today I'm going to keep the windows and doors open so that there's a lot of air in the apartment, otherwise the smell will stay. This has become whatever is left in my kitchen sandwich. So it's around 9 a.m. and I'm gonna start my work. I have few things left, but I'll do it when I get time. We have 1.5 hours left, but I just realized that I haven't taken inventory of things that I've already have, so I'm gonna do that quickly. Last garbage throw. Just finishing last few tasks because we have only 1 hour left. Okay, we'll order a cab in half an hour. So now just the final packing I have to do quickly. I have to travel like 14 hours or 13 hours, so of course I'm gonna dress comfortable. But I'm wearing these blue jeans, a full black t-shirt, and to take it to the next level, I'm gonna wear my blazer today. Usually I dress very comfortably, but today I felt like doing a little bit extra. A watch. We're good to go. Now let's book the cab. Exciting.
In the cab. Let's go. The never-ending walk of Indian airports. 14 hours